What's up, everybody? It's your boy KayCyy, aka 808 Maru, and I am back with another video. Today I have a beat video that I believe KayCyy and J.I.D will absolutely destroy. Also, it's from my beat tape, A Little Overload. Check it out, you will love it. It has about 12 tracks on it. I'm eventually covering them all on the channel, but you can always just go look at them first. If you don't know who KayCyy is, he recently been gaining traction from Double XL, but he also was on like Donda from like a year ago. I checked out some of his tracks, and he's a real cool dude. I like his style. It's very like chill. He kind of remind me of like a chill J.I.D. So that's why all this came about.
Like and subscribe to your boy.
All right, y'all. Don't play me. Like I said in the last video, my other headphones broke, so all I have is my earbuds right now. So yeah, bear with me. But starting out, I'm going to just go through the main melody, then show you the top melody, the accent chords I have, then just go through like the drums, and just play either the whole or half the beat. Starting off with the melody. I am in B minor, I believe, and up here is my top melody. Let me see, do this real quick. I have them together in this beat because usually when I make my melodies, I make them together, like my melody and top melodies. Not everyone do it, just I do it. It's easier for me to hear everything. But here's the top melody. Just delete this. There we go. Well, kind of. And that's what it sounds like with the chords. I like it. I mean, like I said, if y'all don't like it, it's okay. When you make a beat, it's either for you or the people. This one's for me. But I really like that chord progression. Like I said, everything is in B minor. If you want to check real quick, you can always come up here and click on view. Then from view, click on scale highlighting. Then you can change your root note so you can know what scale you are in. It's really helpful. But in this one, it has you set in B. And this is the background chords, like accent chords, I guess, like texture. Like I really love like the shimmering sound it emits. That's the main reason why I picked it. And the beginning with the kind of sound like a flute or something. Like I love this sound. This sound is beautiful. Then I just have both of those just, you know, back and forth throughout the track. Then my last texture, I think it's just the chords without the top melody. So just the chords by itself. So beautiful, so but and this is just the guitar and labs. I'm pretty sure at this point in time everyone have labs is not like a hush plugin. I have 2 synth basses for transitions. Then I wanted, it's pretty much the same pattern, but I wanted to feel like they're, I use the term a lot, being tug and pulled. So I just have a sliding note. Some are octave higher. Very cool pitch bending sound effect to it. I love it. And I think that's it for my melodies. It's very simple. Then this is my 808. I was going crazy on 808s. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. The way I do my 808s, I guess all my drums, I do half first. So I just work on one half. Then once I get this half, I just copy and paste. Just Control C and B, and then automatically paste it over to the next 4 bars. Then from there, I just add like slight variation. Like this note, I may just put it up an octave, cut up this note just over here, or uncut it, and then cut this one over here. Just add slight variation. Slight variation goes a long way, truly. Also, a lot of variation. I mean, I say this a lot. You either making a beat for yourself or you're making it for someone else. If you're making it for someone else, obviously you have a set of requirements that you have to follow for them. But if you're making it for you, go crazy. Who cares? Nice and bouncy, or get you moving out though. And my hi-hat pattern. Pro tip, if y'all want y'all hi-hats to sound industry, I swear they do this. You just make a triplet. I guess this is kind of a triplet, but a 3-bar hi-hat. Then once you make this, don't make it too complicated because you're literally going to copy and paste it here. Then so now you have a 5-bar hi-hat. Then once you have this 5-bar hi-hat, it's going to have a unique bounce because since it's just 2 3-bars, then you copy it again. So now you have a 9-bar. Then you can add slight variation to this one, or you can just keep it the same. And I'm telling you, the bounce, it's crazy. Stay hydrated. But here are the hi-hats. Yeah, probably like, what's going on? Your hi-hat's not playing every note that's showing. And that's because my hi-hats have a halftime on it. I know I don't usually show my mixer, but if you're this far looking, it's not like anything special. But if you, another cool trick, put halftime on your hi-hat, and you can also, you don't have to do both, but you can also do the swing too. That adds bounce. But if I don't do both, if I'm doing one, I don't do the other because it sounds too much to me. Try that. Put halftime, or if you don't have halftime, it's $5 if you want to buy it, but I'm not judging anybody. There is a free one, but it's very, very not confusing, but it's irritating. If you change anything in your playlist while gross beat is on a mixer track, that sound will become out of sync, so you have to stop your entire playlist and just restart. So I recommend just to spend the $5 and just not deal with gross beat. But if you don't have $5, it's okay, you have gross beat. But just to get the same effect, you just go to momentary and click on the half speed. Then it just mess with the gate, the timing. There's a slight click too. I don't know how to get rid of it. I don't use growth speed. Also, if you're in your piano roll and your notes are ghosted out, you could just hover over any note and right click a couple times, and it'll go to that layer of the piano roll the notes are in. Cool tip. But here's my kick. Nothing crazy, just simple. Just follow the 808 and just add like a little bounce. Ain't nothing crazy, just nice bounce. I like movement. All these buzzwords. I don't know all these buzzwords. I think that's everything, honestly. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole beat. I see J.I.D and KayCyy on this, killing it. I'ma just play the beat out, then I'll see you on the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on one of the links up here. Check out more content from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay chillin'. Keep creating.